Hi, my name is Butch Bouchard, and I'm the president of Arnie's Welding Limited, based here in Winnipeg. We're a manufacturing company, and we've been in business for a little over 65 years. How we got involved with the Hemophilia Society, specifically the Manitoba chapter, is that one of our senior managers here has a blood disorder. It became very apparent that he was very passionate about the cause, and that can be infectious or contagious, and that helped us get involved.
Hello, my name is Peter Chekrin, and I've been involved with the chapter for at least the last 50 years. I started off back in the days of the bowl-a-thons and selling coloring books and helping at the drop-in center and all that. Just recently, I was able to do a project called the Donation Dozen, where I offered my Ukrainian Easter eggs for auction to raise money for the chapter, and that was very successful. And I hope to do that again for the chapter in the future.
And I'm Paulette Cote, and once Peter and I got together, I also became involved in the chapter. That was shortly after Peter had been diagnosed with hepatitis C, so that's about 30 years ago now. More recent project that I was involved with is the twinning with both Mongolia and Serbia. And those projects really were life-giving and just such a wonderful opportunity with the society.
I think what makes this chapter inspirational is the fact that it's a very grassroots kind of operation, and it's got a very strong leadership team. They know that they're perhaps not the most high-profile cause out there, and I believe that that just makes them work harder and do more. I'm very proud from a corporate perspective that our company, our people, have been able to play a small part in the important work that this committee does day in, day out.
For me, I find that it's very humbling, and yet it's satisfying to know that my volunteering over the years has actually done some good and has helped the bleeding disorders community in Winnipeg and Manitoba. And I realize that this is not an individual award. This is a team award, because everything that we've done we could not have done without our team at the society, and this is for all of us.
And I think for me, the ripple effect in terms of involvement in the greater community and around the world, and having the opportunities to have an impact, but it's been a shared impact, you know, really learning that it was as much about our growth, our personal growth. We're hopeful that through our volunteering and through this opportunity, that others will also see that they have something to offer, and that their strengths can be used to further the better interests of community as well.